Another trade to the private sector in terms of life is behaving. Therefore, that when we have a plan, and tropical cooperatives, that is why cooperatives is here. How can we cover it there? Sometimes we have
our school system. That is our theme for the Pinas 2025. That comes this year for everyone.
And we have so many interpretations and misinterpretations.
We have now met the shortfall of, we have added 1 million bags of fertilizers, and farmers should now pick the fertilizers from our stores and now go for farming. We have also made sure that we have taken care of now the second cohort of the counties we'll be planning from June, July to September, which are counties in central, Nyeri, Kiambu, Kirinyaga, Laikipia, all those counties in the central region. To please also, they can start and prepare. We have provided fertilizers meanwhile for those counties also. They can start picking so that they don't wait for the rains to come and then they start stampeding in the teapot. So we have enough fertilizers for all our farmers, and we have made sure that we are distributed evenly depending on the seasons when they are planting. So you will see now there are a lot of fertilizers going to North Rift region and Western, but from June going forward, and a lot of fertilizers now will be on central region. So because they will be starting planting. So we expect them to start preparing to pick the fertilizers.